Good morning. Welcome to week 13. I hope your Monday is off to a good start, and I wanted to take just a few minutes to talk with you about your assignment for this week as well as the remaining assignments for this semester. Now, this week, your discussion board asks that you identify a clinical problem, then do a brief literature review looking at the current literature. That means that's literature that is from the last 5 years. Identify some strategies that you could use to resolve this problem, and also think of a change theory or identify a change theory that you could apply to this problem. And then for your discussion board, you need to discuss your problem, discuss the 3 evidence-based strategies that you have identified that you could use to help resolve this problem, and then also talk about the change theory that you have identified that you could apply to this problem. Now, as always, your discussion board is due on Wednesday night at midnight, and then your 2 responses will be due on Sunday night at midnight. Now, next week, of course, is Thanksgiving, so I know you're all very excited. You're going to have a week break, and I hope that you enjoy your break next week. I hope you enjoy Thanksgiving with your friends and your family. Then when we return, it will be week 14, and in week 14 you have a reflection paper due. This is a self-reflection of what you have learned about yourself as a leader during this course. And there are specific guidelines for you to follow and a rubric for you to follow as you put this paper together. So please refer to those guidelines in Blackboard so that you be sure to include all the required content so that you will be able to get the maximum points for this assignment. And then week 15, that is when your servant leader presentation will be due. Now, although it says week 15, your actual presentation will vary just a little bit because this will be a live presentation that you will be doing. You will be doing your presentations when we meet face-to-face at our book-in sessions. Now, for those of you in Knoxville, that will be on December the 1st at 1 p.m. in room 116. So when you come for the book-in session that day, come prepared to do your presentation. As you are putting together your presentation, be sure that you follow the rubric so that you include all content that is required so that you will get the maximum amount of points. And then for those of you in Kingsport, our book-in session will be on Tuesday, December the 9th in the Kingsport Higher Ed Center in room 224 at 1 p.m. So there again, come prepared to do your servant leader presentation. Now, there is a site or an area for you to upload your videos in Blackboard. And I have had questions about whether you need to upload to Blackboard or we're going to do it in person. Now, my answer to that is kind of in 2 parts. You will be presenting in person, and that is how you are going to obtain your grade for this assignment. However, I would ask that you go ahead and upload your video to Blackboard just so that I will have a record of your video. And since our last book-in session will be on December the 9th, that will be the book-in in Kingsport, I just ask that you have all of your videos uploaded into Blackboard by December the 9th. So come prepared to your book-in sessions to do your presentation. That is how your grade will be obtained. If you have any questions about this assignment or about any of the assignments, please don't hesitate to let me know. I look forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks, and I will be touching base with you again on video before we meet again. I hope you have a great week.